Hi everyone, I'm Melanie Hussell, and today's word of the week is bought, often confused with boat. Let's have a look at both of these words. We'll start with bought. How many syllables? Bought. Yes, just one. Let's have a look at the sounds in this word. B, or, long vowel, t, bought. Let's have a look at the vowel sound in a bit more detail. Or. Can you see my jaw is open and my lips are rounded? Or. Bought. Now let's have a look at boat. How many syllables? Boat. Yes, just one. Now let's look at the sounds in this word. B, O, long vowel, t, boat. Let's have a look at the vowel sound in a bit more detail. O. Notice how my mouth moves to create this sound. O. And my lips at the end are more relaxed. O. Boat. Now let's put bought together in a sample sentence. We bought the equipment directly from the manufacturer. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. And if you'd like further help with your pronunciation or communication skills, do visit my site, Speak Up. Have a lovely day.